Unit 6. Legal and ethical dimensions of entrepreneurship. Establishing strong ethical culture. Simply ethic, that is to identify what is right and what is wrong. Identifying good and evil in work performance in new ventures is known as ethic. The study of ethic is very important in entrepreneurship, called entrepreneurial ethics. Follow and support laws, professional codes of ethic in entrepreneurship is very essential. Started from internal ethical codes, most occurred unethical behavior in an organization, abuse, organizational resources, stationaries, furniture, etc. Abusive behavior, dominate and abuse women, even men, lying to employees, not transparent email, internet abuse, busy in net rather than official work, conflict of interest, different thought, ideology. Discrimination, income level, caste, lying to outside stakeholders, shareholders, customers, government, media, employees, benefits violation, retrenching staff's benefits, health and safety violation, avoiding medical facilities, employees, privacy violation. Privacy should be maintained. Maintain three important things in building strong ethical culture in organization: leaders who intentionally make ethic a part of their daily conversations and decision-making, supervisors who emphasize integrity when working with their direct reports, peers who encourage each other to act ethically. Potential payoff for strong ethical cultures: potential avoidance. Avoid unethical behavior in near future. Better access. Reach everywhere very easily. Improved brand, image, reputation and goodwill. Improved employees. Loyal staffs. Improved customers, loyal customers. Decreased vulnerability. Misinformation, mishandling is avoided. Avoided intellectual property right, patent right. Related with invention and technology. Trademark right. Related with registered brand name, symbol, mark. Copyright. Related with art and literature. Trade secret, ideas, hints, chemical formulas, design, etc. of the products. Business license and business permit. Business license, an agreement in partnership between the intellectual property right owner and another who is authorized to use such right in exchange for an agreed payment, fee or royalty. It is excellent option for an entrepreneur to increase revenue without risks and costly startup investment. Mainly there are four different intellectual property rights. Different intellectual property rights: patent right, related with invention and technology. Trademark right, related with registered brand name, symbol, mark. Copyright, related with art, book creation. Text and literature. Trade secret, privacy, information, knowledge, ideas, hints, chemical formulas, design, etc. of the products. Three different: business license agreement, technology license agreement, trademark license agreement, copyright license agreement. Formal licensing is possible when both home country and host country both have intellectual property right act. In absence of intellectual property right act, certain legal framework protect the licensing. Special license is required for professions like doctor, nurse, barber, pharmacist, tourist guide, etc. Business permit. Business may need one or more permits as per their transaction and functions. It depends upon nature, location of business. Even the business has its own license. To expand and diversify their business, different permission from different level of government are required. Provisions of establishing entrepreneurs' business in Nepal. Not completing some of legal requirements in establishing a business unit is major cause of its failure. But knowingly and unknowingly, entrepreneurs do not realize this fact and trend their failure as coincidence. Modern business is full of legal and statutory formalities as three different level of government in Nepal. Entrepreneurs should fulfill that every business entity is bound by law as per nature and size of it. There are three specific phases of new venture. Pre-start phase, entrepreneur mainly concerns with registration act and law of business venture. Startup phase, entrepreneur concerns with operation law of business venture, what to do and not to do, right wrong should be well identified. Post-start phase, related with Consumer Protection Act, their right, etc. Entrepreneurs should concern with consumers' welfare, environmental protection, green consumers' welfare, environmental protection, green business, etc. Legal issues facing entrepreneur in Nepal: dissatisfied employees. Following Labor Act, Trade Union Act, entrepreneurs should solve the disputes with employees. Fulfilling their demand is very challenging for new venture. Discrimination, entrepreneurs should not discriminate their employees on the basis of sex, caste, race, ethic, culture, religion, etc. Copyright, patent right. If the entrepreneur is related with factory, industry, copyright and patent right must be considered. Dissatisfied customers. Ultimate destination of entrepreneur is customer satisfaction, so following entrepreneur is customer satisfaction, so following Consumer Protection Act, Welfare Act, dissatisfaction of customer must be eliminated to get success in business. Other legal issues. It includes tax, VAT, bank, insurance, etc. related laws. All these laws must be followed by entrepreneur. Newly formed laws formulated by government must be also followed. Ethical issues facing in Nepal by entrepreneurship: employment. Employing staffs in new venture, entrepreneurs should think about Labor Act and law. Minimum wages and salary determined by government must be paid to employees. Employer is also responsible to handle employees ethically. Corruption, misuse of organizational resources by employer and employee both is corruption. From any employer and employee both is corruption. From any perspective, corruption should be avoided from beginning. Entrepreneur should take initiation himself herself. Human resources, placement of right person in right job at right time, favoritism and nepotism must be avoided. Fair recruitment and selection of employees leads organizational success. Group effort and teamwork must be given top priority in organization. Better communication and coordination among group members give synergistic effects in work performance. Professionals pressure group. Entrepreneurs should integrate all the groups in society including stakeholders, media, professionals, pressure groups, stakeholders, media, professionals, pressure groups, etc., respecting them equally.